Hi business owner, welcome to the another Google Merchant Center misrepresentation case study video. Recently I got another Google Merchant Center reactive. That Merchant Center was suspended for the misrepresentation. So let me show you the email. This is the reactive mail. You can see uh, the account has been approved. Hmm. After fixing all the thing from the website as per Google Merchant Center misrepresentation policy, after that I talk to the support team and then take a manual review. After 24 hours later, they will reply me and they told me this account is approved now. Okay, so let me introduce myself. This is me Najibul. I am Google Merchant Center, Google Ads website tracking expert. Okay, and I have working since 4 years, and I have been fixed more than 500 merchant center for the misrepresentation issue. If I show you the merchant center, this is the merchant center. All product are approved now. Okay, if I show you the product approve history, so this was approved 23 February. Okay, before it was suspended for the misrepresentation. This merchant center was created 13 February, then it's initial approved. After that, this is the automated suspension. Okay, and then I work on the website. I have fixed everything as per Google policy. So recently, Google getting so restricted on the merchant center. They updated their all the policies. Hmm. So that's why now it's very hard to reactive the merchant center. If your business is real, then you will get approved, otherwise they will not approve. If your business is not registered, if you are doing a drop shipping, in that case also Google getting lot of problem to reactive the merchant center. Okay, so this store is officially registered in India, and they have official name. The business name and website name must be need to be same. So this one they registered at the same. And they have a GST number, and I have worked all the policies like about us, contact us, FAQ. Okay, I have checked all the policies and fixed like shipping policy, return and refund policy, billing terms and condition. Okay, this website previously not was the payment icon. In the footer you have to mention the payment icon properly. Otherwise Google will getting problem, they will not approve the merchant center. If you have Google my business profile under this business, then it will be best. So Google basically want if your website have a trust signal. Google if getting a trust signal from your business, then it will be very helpful to recover your merchant center. Hmm. And I have work on the website design. There have some fake reviews. Okay, there have some template image. So Google not allow the template image. I have checked the website broken link. I have fixed all those broken link also. Website speed also okay. So there are multiple thing under this policy you need to follow. Okay, after that you will get approved, otherwise not. Hmm. If your website have a single mistake, you fix everything, but there still have a one mistake, in that case also Google will not approve. Hmm. So if you are facing the misrepresentation issue on your merchant center, feel free to contact me. I will help you to recover your merchant center. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. I will explain. I will in the next video I will explain the another Google Merchant Center case study. Thank you.